Welcome back to my channel Medilite MBBS. As the title mentioned, today is World Hepatitis Day, that is 28th of July. So in this video, I am going to tell you everything related to hepatitis. The word hepatitis is derived from the word hepar, which means liver, and itis means inflammation. The most common type of hepatitis is viral hepatitis. If we see the statistics of hepatitis, then more than 500 million people are infected with hepatitis B and C worldwide. More than 1.5 million people die due to hepatitis B and C. 1 out of 3 people are either infected with hepatitis B or C or both. Most of the people even don't know the dormant symptoms of the disease. So in this video, I am going to tell you everything related to viral hepatitis. Hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is usually a benign and self-limited disease which has an incubation period of 2 to 6 weeks. It uncommonly causes acute hepatic failure and has a fatality rate of 0.2 to 0.3%. Etiology and structure of hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A virus is a small, non-enveloped RNA picornavirus which belongs to its own genus Hepatovirus. Hepatitis A virus spreads its infection through ingestion of contaminated food and water, and it is also shed in the stool 2 to 3 weeks before and 1 week after the onset of jaundice. Pathophysiology of hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A virus is acquired via mouth, that is fecal-oral route. Hepatitis A virus later on multiplies within liver. After 10 to 12 days, it is found in the blood. Hepatitis A virus is excreted via biliary system into feces. Clinical feature of hepatitis A. There are no specific symptoms of hepatitis A. There are usually symptoms like fatigue, loss of appetite, and often jaundice. Management of hepatitis A. There is no specific treatment for hepatitis A. Body clears itself from hepatitis A virus. In most of the cases of hepatitis A, liver heals itself within 6 months with no lasting damage. Complication of hepatitis A. Acute renal failure, interstitial nephritis, pancreatitis, GBS, and Sjogren syndrome. Liver disease due to hepatitis B virus is a global health problem. 1/3 of world population is infected with hepatitis B virus. 400 million people have chronic infection in the liver due to hepatitis B virus. The structure of hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B virus belongs to Hepidinaviridae family, a family of DNA virus. HBV structure. It is 42 nanometer in diameter, which is spherical and double layered, which contains the DNA particles. The outer layer consists of carbohydrate, proteins, and lipids, whereas the genome is partially a double-stranded circular DNA molecule which consists of nucleocapsid core protein, enveloped glycoprotein, HBX protein, and polymerase enzyme. The incubation period is 2 to 26 weeks. The cause of the disease is followed by serum markers. HBsAg before the onset of the symptoms. Anti-HBs after the acute disease is over. HBV DNA, DNA polymerase, and HBeAg after the onset of HBsAg. The mode of the transmission of the virus is by horizontal transmission seen in early childhood, unprotected sex, and also seen in intravenous drug abuse. Pathophysiology. The mode of transmission is parenteral route. So the blood is exposed to HBV virus. Then The body mount immune response against this virus by releasing natural killer cells and cytotoxic T cells, and also by releasing inflammatory cytokinins. Clinical features. Clinical features are yellowing of eye, dark urine, abdominal pain, and fatigue. Management and complications. Management is by using antiviral medications. Complications. The complication of HBV are cirrhosis and liver cancer. Hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is the major cause of the liver disease worldwide. Its incubation period is 4 to 26 weeks. It most commonly causes chronic liver diseases. Etiology and structure of hepatitis C. Etiology. For people to contract this disease, there should be blood-to-blood transmission. For transmission to occur, the blood containing HCV virus enters a body without HCV. Structure of hepatitis C virus. It is spherical, 40 to 80 nanometer in diameter, which contain viral particles such as enveloped glycoprotein, lipid membrane, and single-stranded RNA genome. Pathophysiology of hepatitis C. Hepatitis C virus is a cytopathic virus which enters the liver and undergoes replication and causes cell necrosis by immune-mediated cytolysis. Clinical feature, management and complication of hepatitis C. Clinical features are fatigue, jaundice, dark urine, and anorexia. Management. Management is by antiviral medication, which is for 12 to 24 weeks or maybe longer. Complication. Complications can be liver cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver carcinoma. Hepatitis D virus is also called as a delta agent. It is a unique RNA virus which is dependent on HBV virus for its life cycle. Its incubation period is 2 to 26 weeks. Etiology and structure of hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis D virus infection is contagious. It spread through a direct contact with bodily fluids of the infected person and the urine of the infected person. Structure. Hepatitis D virus is 35 nanometer in diameter. It is a double shell structure which is externally lined by HBsAg antigen and internally lined by a peptide. This assembly is called as delta antigen. Pathophysiology of hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis D virus is a hepatotrophic virus which replicates within hepatocyte and result into cytotoxicity and liver damage. Management and complication of hepatitis D virus. Management. There is no known treatment for the hepatitis D virus. Complications. Complications such as cirrhosis, liver failure, and carcinoma of liver are seen. Hepatitis E. Hepatitis E is enterically transmitted waterborne infection which commonly occurs in young to middle-aged adults. Hepatitis E virus is a zoonotic infection with animal reservoir. Etiology and structure of hepatitis E virus. Etiology. It occurs due to contaminated food and water. Structure. Hepatitis E virus is non-enveloped positive stranded RNA virus which belong to herpesvirus genus. The virus is shed in the stool during acute illness. Pathophysiology of hepatitis E virus. Hepatitis E virus is transmitted through fecal-oral route. Hepatitis E virus enters GIT through oral route. It then enters liver through portal vein and replicates there and released into blood and bile. The viral particles of hepatitis E virus are found into blood, bile, and feces. Clinical features, management and complication of hepatitis E. Clinical feature, it causes jaundice and loss of appetite. Management, there is no specific treatment for hepatitis E as the disease is self-limiting, so hospitalization is not required. Complication, it causes neurological disorders and liver failure.